Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I am going to teach the examples of physical change. Student, you know the change are the two types. One is the physical, other is the chemical change. In the physical change, only the state become change, these are temporary change. Means after some time it become reverse. But chemical change is the permanent change. If one time it becomes from the product, it is not possible to change in the real original form. So student, what is the example of physical change? Like glowing of electric bulb. You know, bulb, when you switch on, bulb will start the glow. Switch on, bulb will stop the glowing. So this is the physical change. Magnetism of piece of iron. You know student, if you take one piece of iron and one magnet and start to rub on the iron, क्या करेंगे उसको? एक आयन लिया, एक मैग्नेट लिया, क्या करेंगे मैग्नेट को? उस पर हम रब करेंगे. After 5 minutes you stop the rubbing and after that take one piece of other iron and touch with the first iron. What comes in that? Comes in that the first iron attract the second iron piece, but for a very few minutes. After a few minutes it become lost their properties, means it become not attract again iron. So this is the physical change. Breaking of glass tumbler. Glass, if you break, it becomes break into the small pieces. But the small piece and the big piece of glass, both are the same property. Yes, so this is the physical change. Drying of clothes, student, per day we take bath. After bath, our some clothes become wet. Okay, but after that, after washing the clothes, we become spread on the outside, and after 2-3 hours, it become dry. Means it become changed to their original form. So this is the also is the physical change. Drying of clothes is the physical change. Sublimation. You know student, sublimation in the last video we already discussed about the sublimation. What is sublimation? Sublimation is the process by which a solid directly change from solid to gas or gas to solid. Is known as the sublimation. So student, these are some example of physical change. Next one is the chemical change. What is the chemical change? Student, chemical change is a permanent change in which two or more substances join together and form a new product with a new property. This is the chemical change. Okay? In this process, substance lost its own composition and properties. And one more thing, student, in the chemical change, electron become participate. Okay? Means their property become lost, their composition become lost, but the element which are present in the return side equal the product side. Okay? So what is the example? What is the character of the chemical change? So student, first character of chemical change, the change is permanent. Chemical change is the permanent change and it cannot be reversed by simple physical method. Means suppose that water H2O, if you want to be separate hydrogen and oxygen from the water by hand picking, निकाल सकते हैं ऐसे? नहीं निकाल सकते. Next, one or more new substances are formed with a composition and property which are different from the other. And a chemical change involves an exchange of energy. In such process, student, energy become released or absorbed. In the physical change, energy also become released, but in very less amount or negligible. But in the chemical change, energy become released or absorbed. Okay. So student, what is the example of chemical change? So first one is the cooking of food. Cooking of food. See, cooking of food. Student, we become stored our grain, rice, wheat in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. But one time our food become cooked. It is possible to be saved in 6 months? No. It becomes spoiled. So cooking of food is the chemical change. And how we can make the food? How we cook the food? With the help of heat, with the help of flame. Means energy becomes absorbed by the food. So this is the chemical change. Formation of curd from milk, curd and milk. You understand how the curd form? Curd formed by the milk. But one time when milk change into the curd, it is possible to change again into the milk. दोबारा बन सकता है ये? नहीं बन सकता. So this is the chemical change. Next one, digestion of food. Digestion. Student, what we eat and what we become released, it are same? No. Student, if you take a very delicious food and if one bite you become put in your mouth, after chewing, if you release such food in the outside, it is possible to eat again. दोबारा खा सकते हो उसको? नहीं खा सकते. So this is the chemical change. Our food change into our faces. Okay? Respiration. Student, you know, we take oxygen and release carbon dioxide. So oxygen change into the carbon dioxide. This also is the chemical change. Combination of iron and sulfur. Iron. If you take iron powder, is the black color, and sulfur powder is the yellow color. If you come both mixed up together, and if you want to separate iron from the sulfur, अगर आप iron निकाला क्या करेंगे? You take one china dish, take the mixture of sulfur and iron, mix up together, and take one magnet and roll it. Their result, the iron particle attracted by the magnet. Yes, but if one time you heat, when iron heat with the sulfur, it forms iron sulfide. Black color, iron sulfide, solid black color. And when you become break the iron sulfide, make the small piece, and if you roll the magnet, it become not attract. Means the iron become lost its attracting property. Iron क्या करेगा? अपनी property को lost कर देगा. Clear? Next one is the rusting of iron. Iron is a very good metal, but one drawback. When iron change into the rust, it is not possible to change into the iron. So this is the chemical change. Heating of sugar. You know, student, sugar is the white color, but after heating, it change the black color. If one time sugar change from white to black color, it is not possible to change into the again white. So this is the chemical change. And one more thing, student, see, like burning of food is also the chemical change. This is the chemical change. And one more thing, student, in such a reaction, in such process, the element lost their original properties. See, like H2 plus O2 form H2O. Hydrogen, highly combustible gas. Oxygen, support the combustion. But when both are mixed up together, it forms the water. What is the function of water? Water stop the burning, stop the combustion. Means their property are opposite the property of hydrogen and oxygen. Other thing, there is state hydrogen is the gas, oxygen is the gas, and water H2O is the liquid form. Means it become lost their property. Second one, see, sodium is the combustible metal, chlorine is the poisonous gas. But when both are mixed up together, it forms the NaCl, salt. This is the neutral we use in our daily life. We use in our vegetable, we use in our pulse, we use in our food. So this is the chemical change. Means sodium and chlorine both property are changed when it form the NaCl. Okay, so these are the some property and some example of the chemical change. So the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.